Hi, guys. I want to talk to you about your reflections that you will be doing at the end of each day. At the end of every lesson, you're going to do a reflection. First of all, I do want you to know that you are the only one who will see this. With some flip grids, you're able to see other students' input. But I have changed that because I want this to kind of be a connection between you and I. I want to have your honest opinion without the bias of peer pressure and that kind of thing. And so please know that all your flip grids will not be public. They'll be what's called hidden so that it's just something I see. Okay. And also at the end of each reflection, I want to make sure that you include any questions. This is a daily thing that you will give me. And so I want to make sure that if you're confused about something or you had some questions, then you ask me. You can ask me in person one to one. This way, it might be easier for you. And so I hope to be able to review these every day so that I can stay up with what's going on with you guys. Okay? All right. So today's reflection. So we went and we had our bear hunt. We went and we took our M&Ms. We counted. We knew the proportions of the M&Ms that we had that we have in the Alito National Forest. And then we went and took those M&Ms and I spread them out in the Alito National Forest and you did your flyover to see what proportion of bears of the brown, green, yellow, and orange bears you saw in the Alito National Forest. So this is a question similar to the kinds of things that we will be asking this year. We want to know, here's an example. Do you think that the proportions of the brown, green, yellow, and orange bears that you got when you went and did your little flyover, the proportion of those types of bears is significantly different from the proportion of those colored bears that we know we put out there in the Alito National Forest? Okay, so think about the results, the proportion numbers that you got. Are they pretty similar? Now, they're not going to be exactly the same. That just doesn't happen. Okay, are they pretty close? Or is there some kind of discrepancy that you notice? Okay, if so, maybe why do you think that's happening? Okay, now you have, and besides answering yes or no to that, if you think they're significantly different, I want to know why or why not. So, why do you think that your results are significantly different when we took a sample than what the population has? Okay, so why? If you think that is the case, I want to know if you think we could have gone immediately back out there and performed the flyover again and fix the problem. Can I just go out there, collect more data, and then that fixes the problem? And then, yes, I have a good sample that's representative. Okay? Why or why not? You think that works? All right. Now, if you do not think they are different, so you think they're good, you think the sample was representative of the population, all that's good. So then I want to know what is giving you that indication. Why do you feel that? Why do you think that that sample, what gave you that feeling that it's good representation of that population? Okay, that we can now go draw conclusions on. All right, so answer those two things. Do you think the proportion of bears are different, significantly different? Why or why not? And then based on your answer here, do a follow-up question. Okay, answer that in your flip grid and then ask me any other questions that you might have as well.